Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English SA. I'm Duma.
And I'm Bandile. We're so happy that you're here today.
In this lesson, we're going to talk about something you do every single day, your morning routine.
That's right. We'll learn how to talk about your morning step by step using easy English sentences.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your morning in English, from waking up to leaving home.
It's going to be fun and simple. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's get started.
Let's begin with the first thing you do in the morning, waking up.
You can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Try saying that with us. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Great job! You can also say, I wake up early, or I wake up late on weekends.
Now, there's another phrase, get up. Many learners mix these two.
Yes, wake up means your eyes open. You are awake. Get up means you leave your bed.
For example, I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:30. That means you stay in bed for a few minutes before standing up.
Exactly. Let's practice that. I wake up at 6. I get up at 6:30.
Repeat one more time. I wake up at 6. I get up at 6:30.
Nice. You're already improving.
You can also use usually or sometimes to make your sentence more natural.
I usually wake up at 6, or I sometimes get up late on Sundays.
Perfect. Simple, clear, and real.
After you get up, what do you do next?
Most people make their bed. You can say, I make my bed every morning.
Good sentence. Make your bed means you fix your blanket and pillows so your bed looks neat.
You can also say, I open the window, or I open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
Then you start getting ready for the day.
Yes, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower.
Let's repeat those together slowly. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower.
Great job. You can add then to connect your actions. I brush my teeth, then I take a shower.
Or you can use after. After I take a shower, I get dressed.
That's very natural English. Get dressed means put on your clothes.
Example, I get dressed for work, or I get dressed for school.
Good. You can also talk about what you wear. I wear a shirt and jeans. I wear a uniform.
Repetition helps a lot here. Say it again. I get dressed. I wear a shirt and jeans.
Beautiful. You're speaking like a real English learner with confidence.
Now let's talk about breakfast, the best part of the morning for many people.
Oh yes, I love breakfast. You can say, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Or I have breakfast at 7. Both are correct.
Eat breakfast and have breakfast mean the same thing.
Here are some more examples. I have cereal for breakfast. I drink coffee. I eat eggs and toast.
Let's practice together. I have cereal for breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I eat eggs and toast.
Perfect. You can also say, I have breakfast with my family, or I eat breakfast alone.
To make your English sound natural, use small words like usually, sometimes, or always.
Example, I usually have coffee in the morning.
I sometimes eat fruit for breakfast.
I always drink water after I eat.
That's how you create real sentences about your life.
Exactly. When you speak about your real routine, English becomes easy to remember.
After breakfast, it's time to go.
Yes, you can say, I leave home at 7:30.
Or, I go to work at 8 o'clock.
You can also use go to school, go to class, or go to the gym in the morning.
Repeat after us. I go to work at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 7:30.
I go to the gym in the morning.
Good. You can add how you travel. For example, I walk to work, or I take a taxi to school.
In English, take is used for transport. Take a bus, take a train, take a taxi.
So, I take a taxi to work means you use a taxi to go to work.
Exactly. Let's practice. I take a taxi to work.
I walk to school.
I drive to work.
Wonderful.
You can also describe the time or feeling. I feel happy when I go to work. I feel sleepy when I go to school.
I think many people feel sleepy in the morning.
I think many people feel sleepy in the morning.
That's true. Let's put everything together now, from the time you wake up to the time you leave home.
I'll go first. Listen carefully. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6:30. I make my bed and open the curtains. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I get dressed for work. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I leave home at 7:30. I take a taxi to work.
That's perfect, Bandile. Now I'll say mine. I wake up at 6. I get up at 6:15. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I wear jeans and a shirt. I have breakfast with my family. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I walk to work because it's close.
Nice. Everyone watching, now try to say your own version. Think about your real life.
Use the same structure. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, leave home.
You can pause the video and practice speaking out loud. That's the best way to build confidence in English.
And remember, your daily life gives you the best vocabulary to learn.
Let's spend a minute on pronunciation.
Yes, good idea. Some words sound similar but are different. For example, wake and work. Say it slowly. Wake. Your mouth opens wide.
And work. Your lips are smaller, like a circle. Work.
Try the sentence. I wake up before I go to work.
Let's repeat it. I wake up before I go to work.
Great. Another tip. Get up sounds like one word when we speak fast. Get up.
But don't worry. In beginner English, you can speak slowly and clearly.
That's right. Clear English is always better than fast English.
Exactly. Speak with confidence, not speed.
You're doing great today. You've learned how to talk about your morning using easy English.
And you practiced many short sentences.
Every time you describe your daily routine, your English becomes stronger.
You can even write your routine in a small notebook every morning.
For example, write, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
It's simple but powerful.
Yes, small steps every day make big progress.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need practice and confidence.
Exactly. English is a journey, not a race. You're already improving by being here and listening.
Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about your morning routine in English.
We practiced these phrases: wake up, get up, make the bed, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, leave home.
And we also learned some helpful connectors like then, after, before, and time words like usually, sometimes, and always.
Very good. You're now ready to describe your morning routine easily.
Before we go, we want to ask you a question. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English too.
Keep practicing every day. You're doing amazing.
See you in the next lesson.
See you in the next lesson.